Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESR Screen Protector for iPad Pro, 12.9 inches. It's the model from 2021 and 2020 and of course 2018 because the dimensions of the screen itself does not change. 9H-Hard HD Clear Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the iPad Pro 12.9 inches. It's 2 times trench and scratch resistant. And this is really awesome is if you are going to use an backside protecting cover, for example, to protect your iPad, and you are like to let the screen free to operate, then you should be use this screen protector here to protect your screen on the front side too. That's the best solution, I think. If you are not going to use a flap or magic keyboard as well, okay? It's compatibility designed especially for the iPad Pro 12.9 inches from 2021, 2022, and 2020 and 2018. The model numbers are A2020-29, A2069, A2232, A2233, A1876, A2014, A1895, and A1983. These model numbers you can see on the back side of your iPad. Go into the center, have a look, there's the Apple branding, and on the bottom side you can see an iPad logo, and under it to the nearly to the bottom side you can see the model number. If this match, you can prove or disprove that this screen will match to your iPad Pro at home. It's not compatible with any other models out there because of the dimensions as well. Face ID and pencil compatible. A large camera and microphone cutout ensures unaffected Face ID and sound quality. Ultra-thin design maintains high responsiveness when using the pencil, and it's really easy to install. Really, free installation frame makes the perfect alignment with 0 bubbles as breeze. And HD protection. This ultra-transparent screen protector fully preserves image quality while protecting our iPad from dust and scratches. And it comes with this halo thing, with this installation frame. And this frame you have to place on the front side of your iPad. It's really easy. It docks in position automatically. And then after you cleaned your screen, of course, before you are get the new screen onto it, okay, you have to clean it really proper. For this cleaning solution is included, no prob, and it's easy to attach, as you can see. ESR is founded in 2009. It is a global tech company creating simple, effective, and innovative mobile accessories. From the 110 patents to the award-winning designs in both form and function, the products makes connecting with technology more intuitive. And they are a drive to help people find better ways to interact with technology itself by creating products that make the tech easier to use. They have earned the truth of 100 plus million people around the world. So you can see there is a lot of skills behind this tempered glass screen protector, and you can feel it and you can see it too. It is really nice and easy to attach. It matches to a lot of iPad Pros out there. It's tempered glass, it's a screen protector, which is compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, of course, from 18, 20, and 21. That means there are 3 big players on the market which this product can install on it. And it comes with a really easy installation. Included an alignment frame for effortlessly installation. We have to attach the frame to the iPad. Of course, ensure that the frame is firmly attached, and then align the protector. Slowly lower onto the screen. Job's done. Before this installation, of course, you have to clean it really nice. And then you have a thin and clear protection. It keeps the Face ID and writing with our pencil smooth and seamless. No problem, really. And if there is a little trouble that you will drop your iPad, the protection glass will break first. That means you can remove this screen again if there is damage on it, and then you have protected your iPad screen as well. This is awesome because this screen protector is the first which will fight against scratches and stones and dropping accidents as well. And this is awesome. So if you're going to use and work with an iPad Pro on travel, on vacation, on business, or at home, you should think about and use such as ESR Screen Protector for iPad Pro. 12.9 inches, 2021 and 2022 and 2018 model. It's a 9H-Hard HD clear tempered glass screen protector for the iPad Pro, 12.9 inches. Of course, it's available in a 2-pack too. Then you can use it on your entire iPad family at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. And now let's install that awesome screen protector. Soon.